Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 1 mid-level 1 rentals. This is the first chapter of Excel section of my IT course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your complete assignment or complete courses including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email that is mentioned in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, etc. So let's start this assignment and solve each and every step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this video. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 1 mid-level 1 rentals. So first step of the assignment is to download the Excel sheet. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet, this one, and we are supposed to apply all these steps in that Excel sheet. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet. You can see this. So first step is just about downloading the Excel sheet. That is why I will move to step number 2 directly. So this is step number 2. Apply heading 1 cell style to the range A1 up to G1. So we will first select this range and we will apply heading 1 cell style to this range. So I will simply copy this range and I will select this range from the sheet, and this range has been selected and we are supposed to apply heading 1 cell style. So go to the cell styles and select heading 1. So this is heading 1. We are supposed to apply this heading 1 style to this range. So I have applied the heading 1 styles to this range. So this is all about step number 2. Let's move to next step, that is step number 3. Apply the 20% accent cell style to the range A2 up to G2. So we are supposed to apply the 20% accent 1 cell style to the range A2 up to G2. So to do this step, we will first select this range, that is A2 up to G2, and we will apply the 20% accent 1 cell style. So let's select this range. So range has been selected and now we are supposed to apply the 20% accent 1 cell style. So go to the styles and cell styles and select the 20% accent 1. So this is the 20% accent 1 cell style. So we are supposed to apply this. So that is all about step number 3. Let's move to next step, that is step number 4. It is saying that merge and center off peak rentals in the range E4 up to G4. So we are supposed to merge and center this range, that is E4 up to G4, and to do this we will simply select this range, that is E4 up to G4, and then we will apply merge and center to this range. Let's select this range. Range has been selected, this one off peak rentals, and we are supposed to apply the merge and center to this range. So first we selected this range, that is E4 up to G4, and now we are supposed to merge and center this range. So select this merge and center, and you can see that this is merged and centered now. That is all about step number 4. So you can see that I am solving each and everything in this video, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. So next step is step number 5. So step number 5 is apply blue fill color and white background 1 font color to the cell E4. Blue fill color. This is E4 and we are supposed to apply the blue fill color. Blue fill color and white background 1 font color. So we will apply the blue fill color to this cell. This one, this is the blue fill color and the font color should be white background 1. This one. So that is all about step number 5 and we are done with step number 5 now. So we have completed 5 steps so far. Let's move to next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is center and wrap the heading on row 5. This one. We are supposed to center and wrap this heading. Center and wrap these headings. So you can see that I have done this one. We were supposed to apply the center to these heading and we are supposed to apply the wrap to these headings. So I have applied this to row 5, sorry. So that is all about step number 6. Let's move to next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is in cell D6 enter a formula that calculates the peak rental maximum revenue. So now we are supposed to enter a formula in cell D6. In cell D6 we are supposed to enter a formula that calculates the peak rental maximum revenue. So you can see that this is D6 and we are supposed to calculate the peak rental maximum revenue and this formula will be number of units multiplied by daily rates. So this will be equal to number of units multiplied by daily rate, this one. So we were supposed to calculate the peak rental maximum revenue in D6 and this formula will be number of units D6 multiplied by the daily rates, that is the per day rate, that is a C6 and we got the result for this one. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 8. In cell G6, enter a formula that calculates the discount rate for the off-peak rental price. So we are supposed to calculate the off-peak rental discount rate and this will be equal to 1 minus off-peak rentals daily rate divided by peak rental daily rate. So this will be equal to 1 minus off-peak rental daily rates, this one, sorry, off-peak rental daily rates divided by peak rental daily rates. So this is the peak rental daily rates. So we got the discount here. So that is all about step number 6. So we have step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps so far. Let's move to step number 9 now. So step number 9 is copy the formula in cell D6 to the range D7 up to D8. Copy the formula in cell D6 to G6 to the range G7 up to G8. So let me copy this up to D8 and this one up to G8. That is all about required in step number 9. We were supposed to copy the formula down to their respective columns. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 10. Format the range C6 up to F8 with the counting number format. So let me select this range. So this range has been selected and we are supposed to apply the counting number format to this one. So you can see that the counting number format is applied to this range. So that is all about step number 10. So next thing to do is step number 11. Format the range G6 up to G8 in the percent style with one decimal place. So let me select this range. So we are supposed to apply the percent style, this one percent style, and decimal places should be 1. So you can see that we have applied the percent style to this one with the decimal place of 1. So that is all about step number 11. So total step in this assignment are 20. So I have shown you 11 steps so far. So if you want me to do this complete assignment, you can contact me and I will do this complete assignment for you. Now I will give you an overview for the remaining steps. So for that I will show you the final version for this assignment, and you can see how this assignment will look like after doing these remaining 5 to 6 steps. So I have done almost 65 to 70% of this assignment in this video, but for the remaining I will give you just an overview. So this will be the final form of this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final form like this. So this range will have a blue filling, this will have a yellow filling, peak renters, off peak renters, and their respective values I have calculated. And this will be our formula sheet, and you can see all the formulas that we have applied in the rate worksheet. So I have done this assignment hundreds of times, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID, and I will do this assignment for you. You can hire me for your complete courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences. You can hire me for PowerPoint assignments, Excel assignment, Access assignments, and Word assignment as well. You can hire me for your programming courses like C++, HTML, Java, Python, etc. So I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and I can produce a grade for you in your courses. So just contact me on WhatsApp that is showing at the bottom of the screen. My email is also showing. Just contact me and I will be available for you and make a deal for your complete courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video as well. Thank you so much.